the first mod that I did on my car. And I don't like the word mod because I feel like I'm like doing some really like extravagant thing. No, I'm just making it brighter so I could see, you know? Welcome back to another video of me and my soul cabin of the inside of my soul. Anywho, sorry, it just came out of nowhere. Today, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your lights. They call it your map lights. And your map lights are basically your interior light to turn on when the car doors open or whatever, you know. So I didn't know you could upgrade the bulbs on this. So this little bulb is what's in your map lighting, aka your interior lights. So I'm gonna show you how to do the front, and it's gonna go from halogen to LEDs because I like my LEDs. I do. I like my LEDs. It's gonna make your life a lot better. Like before I had the footwell lighting, I upgraded that light so I could see at night. And halogen lights just don't spread like LED lights do. And I can go on about lights, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's really easy, 5-minute job, but it's gonna make a world of difference in your life because it's gonna make your life easy. And that's the best part. These videos hopefully make your life easy and save you some money. Change the bulb, put the new bulb in. The connectors are on the side, so that's how it's transmitting power into the bulb. All it is, you're just gonna pull that out. It's literally a bulb. Now to put it back, you got these two little teeth, and there's two little notches in here. Two little notches. Boom, boom. Then we're going to put two plastics inside first. And then I got old school methods, so we just do a nice little pump it in there. Good to go. You got bright lights. It's really nice at night. Thank you guys for checking out the video. I hope you realize that this is a super easy job and it's gonna make a world of difference, especially if you drive your car at night a lot and you're in and out of your car. You always want to be safe, and having bright LED lights will let you see perfectly in your car. So definitely would recommend this upgrade just for safety factor. And yeah, you always want to be safe, right?